갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is you know now your girl. So so if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. So are you joining the online training class? We are doing 50% discount. We have 35 effective products when it comes to the promising, and we have 20 effective products when it comes to the organic. So if you want to join the organic class, we have 50% discount for you. If you want to join the promising class, we have 50% discount for you. Contact is below the description box. Okay, please, contact is below. Always check the description box of every video you are watching, not just my video, any video you are watching on YouTube, because there they have a lot of information that you need to know below the description box. Okay, so if you're joining the class, we need just 20 people. We don't want much students. Yeah, we don't want much students. We don't want it to be crowded. Just 20 people. If you come late, and sorry, we're going to tell you that we already have the 20 people, so we are doing the 50% discount. Okay, and what again? So today we are going to be talking about stretch mark. Okay, we're going to be talking about stretch mark and the product you can also use on your stretch mark. So stretch mark, some people do have stretch mark due to childbearing. Some people have stretch mark due to creams. Yeah, some people have stretch mark due to losing weight. Like if you're trying to lose weight, yeah, your skin is going to get slack. And some people have stretch marks. Stretch mark will just come. They did not lose weight. They did not use cream. They did not have child. Stretch mark will just come from nowhere. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to show you the product you can also use to treat your stretch mark. And mind you, stretch mark cannot totally go like everywhere. The stretch mark will just disappear totally. No sign of stretch mark. No, it's not going to. You cannot have that kind of effect. It's just going to reduce the appearance. Okay, it's going to reduce the appearance, and it's going to minimize the size. You know, we have some stretch mark that is very tiny, and we have stretch mark that is very wide. The stretch mark is wide, and treating your stretch mark is depending on the kind of stretch mark that you have. Yes, so some people have old stretch mark. If you notice that you have stretch mark, immediately you notice that, start treating it, and treatment is going to work better and it's going to work faster. And if you have old stretch mark, it will take time for you to even get result because your stretch mark is old. But if you have a new stretch mark that is just coming, you can treat it easily. And stretch mark from giving birth, that one you can also treat it easily. Stretch mark from losing weight, that one is very hard to treat because why? Your skin has already stretched. From stretching, it's now slack. You know, the skin is slack now. It's very hard for that skin to, like, it's very hard for your skin to penetrate. It's very hard for the stretch mark products that you will use on your skin to penetrate into your skin because the skin is weak. Okay, now this is my skin. It's very thick. If I have stretch mark here, any product that I will be using to clear that stretch mark is going to work fine. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Okay, this is my skin. I have a very thick skin, right? So if I have stretch mark here, if I want to treat that stretch mark seriously, any product I will be applying on my skin, it's going to work fast because why? My skin is very thick. Okay, it's not a loose skin. But if you're having this loose skin, it's very hard for your skin to take those stuff that you want to apply on it. That is what you're talking about. So if you're buying a stretch mark product and you use this for 1 month and you are still complaining, it's not working on my skin, maybe it's the stretch mark product it's not working, or maybe your skin also is really not taking that stretch mark product. So you have to know the kind of skin that you have, how you got your stretch mark, how old is your stretch mark, so that you really know the effect of the stretch mark product that you're going to be applying on your skin. And here I have Larissa whitening stretch mark oil. Yes, this is a stretch mark oil. This helps with stretch mark, especially on the tummy, on the hand. Fresh stretch mark, not old one, please. Not old stretch mark, fresh one. This is going to help to clear out your stretch mark. You can use this on your stretch mark alone. This on your stretch mark alone. So what you have to do, just know that it's also going to lighten up that place, and lightening up that part where you have the stretch mark. That is the main idea, because as it is lightening the side where you have stretch mark, it's going to be slowly like clearing those signs of stretch mark. Is going to be reducing the appearance. It's not going to be that noticeable, right? So, and this is for you that want to use it directly on your skin. You can just get it this way. You don't need more. This can even last more than a year. You just touch a little and apply it on the parts where you have the stretch mark. Just a little. You must not pour it on your palms like this. You just touch it and you apply it on the part where you have the stretch mark. And this also going to lighten up the skin under 5 days. It is written here, within 5 days it's going to lighten up that stretch mark, like remove the signs of that stretch mark. And the direction on how to use, they said you have to apply it to the affected area after bath, morning and night, 2 times daily. So if you're using any product and you really want to see effect, it should be used twice in a day. Okay, in the morning time, if you're going to work, you're going to school, anywhere you're going to apply it. Then at night, before you come back, if you cannot even take your bath, if you have your cleaning toy, yes, we should have cleaning toy, you use your cleaning toy, soak it with any soap or anything, and you clean it. And if you want to get a very nice effect, you have to use a stretch mark soap. We have Abba stretch mark soap. We have a normal soap, like a bar soap that helps with stretch mark. You use that soap to, I'm going to be making a review on that soap very soon. Okay, stretch mark soap. So you use that soap, you massage, like you make sure that the part where you have your stretch mark, you put water on it, use the soap to rub that part. You can allow it to stay for like 5 minutes. Then after you can use your cleaning cloth, soak it with water, and you clean the soap off. Okay, just clean it up and you apply this on the affected area. Trust me guys, it's going to work. If you have like you see my skin is very thick. You see my skin, if I have spots here, if I treat it, it will go, because my skin is not loose. If you have a very loose skin, it's very hard for you to treat any problem that you have. It's very hard to treat it because the skin is loose already. But if your skin is very thick, you see that anything you apply on it works fast. That is the trick. So you might be buying some product and you'll be saying this product is not working. Just take time, sit down and cross-check your skin if it is slack already. Okay, so you can use this. And for those of you that want to sell promising stretch mark cream or promising stretch mark oil, you can use this Larissa to do a promising stretch mark oil or promising stretch mark cream. Okay, so that I know you will not know how to do it because you don't have ideas, right? You don't have ideas, so you have to learn how to do that. This one, and we have some stretch mark, other stretch mark products that you can promise with this. We also have the Shalom stretch mark oil. You can promise with this one also. We have other stretch mark, a lot of stretch mark products, effective one. You promise it and you can sell it out if you want to sell. Okay, so just take it. If you want to sell, you don't just sell this alone to clients. Okay, you don't sell this alone, like package it and giving it your own name. It is not done. It is not done. You have to customize, adding other products to it. Then you have to sell that one as your stretch mark cream or stretch mark oil. So we have a stretch mark body butter. Yes, we have stretch mark body butter that you need to use shea butter, or you need to use cacao butter or other butter that helps with stretch mark. Okay, then you can also add your Larissa stretch mark oil inside, and you have a great stretch mark oil, and you apply it on your skin twice daily, trust me, you are going to see that the stretch mark is like, the appearance is just fading away. So you're not like, let me just give you one example. You have a stretch mark here and you want to clear it to the extent that the stretch mark will not be appearing again. It's going to take a lot of time, and that is if your stretch mark is also a new one. Yes, but if it is not, you're still going to have that stretch mark, but not that noticeable. That is the idea, not that noticeable. So in the future, I don't know, in the future maybe, I don't know, I may be doing promising stretch mark cream, I don't know, okay, because I sell my promising stretch mark cream, so I don't know if I will be doing the video here for you guys to see for free. I really don't know. So that is what I teach my students. If you want to learn that, you join the training class, okay? So use this on your skin alone. If you want to use it on your skin alone, like you're not selling, it's really going to work. And make sure to get the original, okay? See, this one is very thick. If you want to know the original one, the stretch mark oil is very, very thick. But if you're getting the fake one is just like normal olive oil is very light, or almond oil is just light. You see, this one is very, very thick. That is how you know the original one. Apply it on the affected area, and voila, you are good to go. So guys, hope this video is helpful to you. Leave your comments below the comment section, and if you want to know how to promise your creams, join the training class. Yes, if you want to know how to promise your cream, and if you want to know how to do the organic, you can join. So one thing I will advise you, if you want to go into skincare products, it's better you know the organic, and it's better you know the promise. You can be doing both of them, because you are going to have clients, like your 70% of your clients will need promise, and maybe 30% will need organic. So take note, okay? So that is it, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.